Hello everyone, how are you? I have a good news for all of us. Finally, Kali Linux team released their updated version, Kali Linux 2080.1. This update release contains all update packages and bug fix since their 2070.3 release last November. Kali Linux 2080.1 has shiny new 4.14.12 kernel. In addition to the updated kernel, they have also upgraded a number of packages including jproxy, CQS socket funneling, Pixie WPS, checklist, burp suite, river and many more. If you already have Kali Linux installed, you can easily get the latest version of the tools along with everything else that has been updated using the command apt-get update and apt-full upgrade. Also, you can download the ISO file of Kali Linux 2080.1 from their official website kalilinux.org/downloads. So guys, that's all for today. In upcoming video, I am gonna show you how to upgrade old Kali to Kali Linux 2080.1. Also, I will show you how to fix the GPGK error of Kali Linux updating. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe.